Hello everyone, how are you? Welcome to my channel Goodfeel Animation. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for subscribe and like. Excuse me, 2 days ago I was not, but I'm coming to here happy to show you how you can create 3D object for yourself. Today I'm show you how you can create 3D Angry Birds special red. Yes, here is a skin of Blender, and we have three style of red in actor of Angry Birds animation. Yes, so I'm take one of these three, take tab, yeah, like this, and then take E to execute it that, and to next step select the move and take this green line to move the front like this, and then take the shade out of smooth and go to down and change the angle to the 180 like this. Very good. And I'm forget that I should say we go to the modify properties for more smooth. I'm select smooth corrective, yeah, like this. I'm change it, yeah, very good. Apply that, yes, and then smooth, select the smooth, yeah, duplication with select or take shift on the keyboard, yeah, like this. For close all of this window in here, I'm apply that what is say you select the apply as shape key, yeah, very good. Okay, it's done, but I'm go to the second of style red, yeah, my favorite actor in the Angry Birds. So I'm select the remove from create favorite and select shade auto smooth, yeah, and then go to the modify properties and select this item that's name smooth, yeah. For more smooth on the application or take shift on the keyboard, yeah. Next step, for close all of this window, I'm take Control A or apply with my mouse, yeah, that's so good. Look at this, very beautiful, wow. And just stay one on of those, yeah. And as I do, and take E, yeah, very good. Go to the, oh, I forget that, right, left click and right to quit favorite, shade auto smooth, yeah, very good. And select this smooth, the application for more smooth, yeah, like this, very good. Now I'm apply all of this, yeah, good. Just we need to the plan in here, yeah, very good. And then I'm go to the material properties and select add a new material in here and change the base color to green. You say me green, red, orange, which is pink is good, hello is good, no, because three of this object has red color, and I think I'm changed it to the blue color display, yes. Very good. Now I'm go to the string it in the word properties and change this number to 0 because dark background give perfect image to us. Yeah, please pay attention to this notic. Very important. Yeah, just we need the two lights. For that I take shift A, excuse me, and we have 1 2 3 4 5 different light in here, but I'm select the area and bring up that, take us to big that, yeah, like this, and go to the object data properties and change the power number to the 300. Yes, like this. Very good, because I want render this image but cycle, yeah, like this, and change the device to the GPU because it's give me perfect image, and we need to a lot of light for this render. Yeah, do it like me, and that's so easy. Don't worry, just practice. When you start and practice everything will easy for you all. Very good, very good, very good, very good. We have shadow in here, that's neat because it's 3D. Yeah, it's look like 3D. Yeah, very good. So please say me what are we need to here. We need to the camera. For that I'm take Control Alt and 0 on the keyboard. The camera come to my location in the screen and take and select this frame to turn on this frame and change it color to orange, from white to orange. Yes, take G to move this camera and fix that, or take G double Z on the keyboard, zoom in, zoom out. You can zoom in and zoom out. Yes, like this. Very good. Just everything is ready for render. Just to next step and go to this and select the render image. Yeah, very good. You can see this picture image or image is ready, and you can use of this image for yourself or sell in the NFT market or everywhere, or give priors to your kids for her happy, yes, or he's happy. I don't know what is its gender, but this picture that's so good for you all for using the background or wallpaper, and that's number in up SMM when it's finished, or picture is ready for use. So it's finished. I hope you are enjoy of that. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and like my channel. Thank you so much. To another video, my dear friends. Goodbye.